Today, I'll show you how to add an image watermark to your videos. This is great if you want your channel logo or brand always visible on screen. First, open up your project and make sure your main video is on the timeline. Now, tap on Overlay in the bottom toolbar and import your logo or image file. It will appear as a layer above your video. Next, resize it and move it into position. Most people prefer the bottom right or top left corner. To keep it visible throughout your video, drag the edges of the overlay layer so it matches the full duration of your clip. Now, to make it look subtle and professional, tap on the watermark image. At the bottom toolbar, you'll see the opacity slider. Simply drag the slider left or right to reduce or increase transparency until it blends nicely with your video. And that's it. You've successfully added an image watermark in VN Video Editor, a simple but powerful way to brand and protect your content. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VN video editing tips.